Introduction. The all-female group was first introduced by Christopher Priest, the first widely known black comic book writer in 98 when he worked on the Black Panther. The Dora Milaje means...
The name's Christopher Priest, son. Yeah, never heard of you. Yeah. Kid, have you heard of comic books? You know, like DC, Marvel, Captain America? I was the first African American to work as an editor and writer for the big name superhero comic book companies you know of today. I was the guy that made the Black Panther comic book cool. Without me, no one would have ever been saying Wakanda forever. But before me, there were far more important Black American writers that made my success possible. Like Phillis Wheatley. Okay, alright. I understand who you are, but who's Miss Cream of Wheat or whatever? Kid, you don't know who Phillis Wheatley is?
1753 in Africa she was born, but at 7 years old, her life moved on to America as a slave. But she didn't stress it, rocked it out with her studies. Everyone was like, check it. She knows Greek and Latin and she studied the classics. So when she picked up a pen and paper, they were like,